Digital nomads are a growing community of individuals who have embraced the freedom and flexibility of working remotely. They travel the world while working online, often from their laptops, and seek out co-working spaces to network, collaborate, and be productive. Finding the right co-working space can be a challenge, but with some research and guidance, digital nomads can discover the best options for their needs. What is a co-working space? A co-working space is a shared office environment where individuals or teams can work independently or collaboratively on projects. These spaces usually offer amenities such as Wi-Fi, printers, meeting rooms, coffee machines, and sometimes even fitness facilities. Co-working spaces are designed to provide an environment that promotes productivity and creativity while also fostering a sense of community among its members. Why use a co-working space? For digital nomads, using a co-working space provides several benefits. Firstly, it offers an opportunity to meet other like-minded professionals who are also working remotely. This can lead to networking opportunities, collaboration on projects, and even new friendships. Secondly, co-working spaces provide structure to your workday by offering designated workspaces that promote productivity. Thirdly, they offer access to resources such as high-speed internet and meeting rooms that may not be available in other remote locations. How to find the best co-working spaces? When searching for the best co-working spaces for digital nomads, there are several factors to consider. Location. The location of the co-working space is important, as it should be easily accessible from your accommodation or other areas you frequent regularly. Consider factors such as public transportation options and proximity to restaurants or cafes. Amenities. Different co-working spaces offer different amenities, so it's important to identify what is essential for your needs. Some may offer 24/7 access, while others may have fitness facilities or free coffee. Community. The sense of community within a co-working space can vary greatly, so it's worth researching what events or activities are offered by each option. Some may host regular networking events or social gatherings, while others may simply provide a quiet workspace. Price co-working spaces can range in price depending on their location and amenities offered. It's important to identify what your budget is before starting your search. Top co-working spaces for digital nomads. Here are some of the top co-working spaces around the world that cater specifically to digital nomads. WeWork. With over 800 locations worldwide, including major cities like New York City, London, and Sydney, WeWork offers flexible membership options with access to amenities such as conference rooms and printing services. Selena. Selena has locations across Latin America, Europe, and Asia Pacific that combine accommodation with co-working spaces. They offer private offices along with communal areas designed specifically for digital nomads. Outpost Club. With locations in New York City and San Francisco, Outpost Club offers affordable monthly memberships with access to 24/7 co-working facilities, along with living accommodations if needed. Ubud, located in Bali, Indonesia. Ubud offers co-working memberships along with wellness programs like yoga classes, all set against the backdrop of tropical paradise. Dojo Bali, another Bali-based co-working space. Dojo Bali has become known for its vibrant community atmosphere, attracting digital nomads from all over the world. There are plenty of amazing co-working spaces available around the world catering specifically towards digital nomads, but finding one that meets your specific needs requires careful consideration. Consider location accessibility alongside desired amenities like community events or fitness facilities when making your choice. By doing thorough research beforehand, you'll ensure you find an ideal workspace where you feel comfortable being productive, whilst surrounded by like-minded individuals who share similar interests.